Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the key fob battery in a 2012 to 2014 Toyota Camry, or any Toyota that uses this type of key fob, this style of key fob. Alrighty, let me show you what you need in order to complete this task. You'll need replacement batteries. I went with the Panasonic CR-2016. You will also need small Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, let's get started. Okay, grab your key fob and find this little slot right here. See that little slot? Okay, grab your screwdriver, place it inside of that slot, and then push it open. Just like so. Mine's a little dirty. Be careful though, because these little small pieces right here will fall out if you keep it at a certain angle. So when you open it, try to be careful. Try to open it like this because it'll prevent the small buttons right here from falling out. And then you're going to take this little piece right here out. Okay, this is where the battery is located. So we're going to put this part right here to the side. In order to get inside of here, I was focusing. You have these little slots. You got one there, one there, one there. And you also have them up here at the top. So you're gonna stick your flathead inside of these little slots and then push up like so. And then you're gonna go around the whole perimeter. Same thing, stick it in the slots and pushing up. Once you complete it, you're gonna open it up just like so. And that is where the battery is located, right there. And you can take that, we're gonna put this to the side. You can take that same flathead and then unpry the battery. Just like so. Out with the old. Let's put it in the new. So take your replacement battery. There's a replacement battery right there. And this little thing has little grooves, so you got to fit it in between those grooves. Hopefully y'all can see that. So it's almost like a downward scooping motion. And boom, it's in place. Alrighty. You're gonna take the other piece right here, place it just like that until you hear snapping. Boom, it's in place. Grab this part, and then in order to place it back, it's pretty simple. You're just gonna hold it at this angle, or whichever angle you prefer, but this is easier. It's easier to do it this way, and then just flip it in there like that. So, boom, it's in place. Okay, and just close it up until it snaps in place. And if you want to clean it, headphone users beware. Got my towel and alcohol again. And clean it up. You don't have to do this step, I just prefer to do it right now, because I never really clean. Alrighty, y'all, that's a simple how-to replace the key fob battery in a 2012 to 2014 Toyota Camry. Like I said, these are the replacements battery that I use. I got this from eBay, if you're wondering. I got it from eBay. Forgot how much I paid. I got it so long ago. This is my second time replacing this battery. So if you like this video, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. Alrighty. Y'all have a good one out there. On to the next one.